Welcome to another video. I'm Glenn Bailey. Today we are at the Mountain Mile in wonderful Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, as you can see right here behind me. We're going to take you through on a tour and show you what all is here. Let you know before you get here. And yes, we're going to show you some reviews on some places as well. Starting off right here, we are at Downtown Flavortown by Guy Fieri. And I'm going to mention right off the bat, if you haven't been here, don't bother coming. All it is a tourist trap. It's more or less a very expensive Dave & Buster's with an arcade and bowling alley. It is not worth coming to. The food is overpriced and the food is mediocre at best. There's plenty of other good restaurants here in Pigeon Forge to enjoy besides that. As you can see right here coming up, we still have some vacant spaces as this has been newly remodeled. It used to be the Belts Factory Outlet Mall, otherwise known as the Blue Roof Mall, and they've actually tore it down and changed it. We have another Pepper Palace. If you like hot stuff, you can get your hot pepper on in there. It's absolutely amazing. Then we have Shady Ray's restrooms, Cinnaholic Gourmet cinnamon rolls. We have Curry He Winery. We've got another vacant spot right here that something else is going in. We've got the Spice and the Tea Exchange. Then we got the Savannah Bee Company. Sunnyland Farms Pecans Fine Food and Family. Crumble Cookies. Who doesn't like to get your cookie crumb on? Toy Town. Then we have Cream and Sugar. Sweet Shop. And then right here, right out in front, stand up and show you what we've got. We have a large tower where you can go up and do tower drops all the way from up there. And then you have some checkers right over here you can play on the ground. And then finally right here in front of it, you have a giant swing. So you go up on the tower here and then you swing over. They've got a little bit of everything here for the family to do. Plenty of places to eat other than Guy Fieri's Flavortown. It's kind of ironic that that's not all that great, but it's simply not. Got some cornhole boards up here. Putting up in a tent for an event, it looks like. Coming up here on the left, we've got the Mountain Mile General Store. And then we've got Junction 35 Distillery as well. And that's also a restaurant bar. We'll take you in and show you what they got. Coming up here on the left, we also have the Black Rifle Coffee Company and the Back Boutique. I hope I said that correctly. Has some change here the kids can climb. The Escapology, the live escape game. Come here and do some escape room. Then you've got Hatley. More restrooms here for the public. And then we've got the Azul Mexican restaurant with a rooftop bar. You can eat out there as well. The Azul Mexican restaurant is actually owned and run by Junction 35 Distillery. Just want to let you know on that. And mentioning where the Mountain Mile is, if you don't know, here you can see the big wheel right off in the distance. It's literally right behind the island here in the heart of Pigeon Forge. Mentioning the island, don't forget to click the link above and check out the review of the island and what all they have. Going on out here, we've got the Nike clearance store. We've got the REI Co-op. And we've got some more buildings right across the way here. We'll check those out and let you know what they are. Coming up here on the left is the Listening Room Bar and Grill. They do have live music in here nightly, it says. Then we have Bill's coming up. And then out there on the far end, Old Time Pottery. We'll look here and see what else they've got out through here. We'll step out so you can actually see it. Got DXL men's outlet. And that looks like it. The rest is actually vacant at the present time. Here's a look back at the giant tower with the swings where you can actually bungee off of. And right here they do have a train station for the kids. There's a train that goes around here each evening for the kids to ride. It's actually pretty neat. Up here on the right is a kids drop zone that they open up every evening for the kids to enjoy and ride. It does cost, but again, it's more activities for the family. Coming back here, we're right in front of the Mountain Monster, which is the towers where you can do the swing and the drop. They have a little bit of everything. You got the swing in the front, and over here to the right of it is the actual drop for the adults. It's called the Monster Fall. It's intense, it says. You can see the seating right over here. And it goes all the way up to the very top. Here you can see their hours of operation. They open up at 1 p.m. and they're open till 9 p.m. and 10 p.m. Again, they got more cornhole boards over here. A little bit of everything for the family to enjoy. There you have it. We just took you through on a tour of the Mountain Mile here in the heart of Pigeon Forge, directly behind the island. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope it's been helpful to give you a guide of what's going on and what is available here in the heart of Pigeon Forge. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Hope to see you guys on the next one, and remember, safe travels.